Hello everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. Welcome to Mini Melodies, or story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. Today's story time is all about kindness, which is great, especially during the holiday season. So make sure that you take out your lesson plans and you follow along. Our first song is Make New Friends. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. A circle's round, it has no end. That's how long I want to be your friend. Okay, let's go again. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. A circle's round, it has no end. That's how long I want to be your friend. Okay, so our next song is called Let's Be Kind. Let's be kind in our hearts, in our minds, to our family, to our friends. Let's be kind, let's be kind. Okay, let's go again. Let's be kind in our hearts, in our minds, to our family, to our friends. Let's be kind, let's be kind. Okay, so our first book is called Listen by Holly M. McKee. Listen to the sound of your feet, the sound of all of us, and the sound of me. Look to the shining sun. It is for you and all of us. It is for me. The stars. They are for you and all of us. They are for me. Breathe. Smell the air. My air is yours and all of ours. Your air is mine. Taste. The food you eat is also the sun, is also the rain. The food I eat is also the sun, is also the rain. Dig in the earth. Your roots are mine, my roots are yours. The roots of all of us are the same. Yet you are you, and I am me, and we are we, us. Listen with your heart. It is your ears, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your hands. Your heart can hear everything, see everything, smell everything, taste everything, touch everything. Your heart can hold everything, including the world, its darkness and its light, including your story, including my story, including the story of all of us. And when your heart hears your own story, it hears my story too. Your story, my story, our story. Listen to the sound of your feet, the sound of all of us, and the sound of me. And our craft this week are little gift bags you can come and pick up at the library, and you can fill them with candy or another little gift and give to somebody you really care about. Okay, so next we have a poem. Make sure that you follow along. Kind hearts are the gardens, kind words are the roots, kind thoughts are the flowers, kind deeds are the fruits. Take care of your garden and keep out the weeds. Fill it with sunshine, kind words, and kind deeds. Okay, let's go again. Kind words are the gardens, kind words are the roots, kind thoughts are the flowers, kind deeds are the fruits. Take care of your garden and keep out the weeds. Fill it with sunshine, kind words, and kind deeds. So our second book is called Puddle by Richard Jackson. Rain, 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 rain. Enough, Puddle mutters. I mean, look at me, a sight to see, Puddle the Pudge, and look at the others, my sisters and brothers, so dainty and sweet, so shallow. Oh, I don't know. It's no fun being the deep one. If this rain keeps on, I'll soon be a pond. I'll soon... Swoosh! A seagull swoops in. Nice, smells of fish. Swish! Puddle looks up. Yikes, a basketball, Gall goes. Recess already, I suppose. Her brothers and sisters, do they care? Not a whit. The rain, a drizzle now, dimples them bit by bit. Splat! A sneaker with a hole in the toe, 2 toes showing. Ew! I wish I had a drain, she moans, and imagines the flowing, gurgling whirlpool she can make of herself, the awing and oohing. Splash! 4 paws. Uh-oh, smells like wet poodle. No piddle, Puddle cries. No, no! Too late. Oh, that's just swell. Did they see all the others? Across the playground, the sisters, the brothers, are one by one dimming, like night lights at dawn, winking out, drying up in sudden sunshine. Puddle is alone. Finally, a bell rings. Bring! Feet repeat. Feet, feet, feet. Hold it, Puddle shouts, but who has heard? Still the children halt, hands point. Puddle looks too, overhead, then at herself. Oh, my word! Puddle blushes red. Orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, echoing the sky. Applause, applause, a chorus of oohs and ahs. She is indeed a sight to see, is our Puddle. A small girl in Mary Jane's remains. She reaches out to Puddle. Look, the girl says, and sees the colors shiver and shimmer one by one. The gull, the shoe, the dog, the ball, Puddle forgets them each by each. But the reach, that is everything. That is all. Yeah, I thought that book was a good way to show that kindness can be just reaching out to someone or something. Puddle felt really alone, but he forgot everything that hurt him when that one little girl reached out towards him. So, our last song is called Kindness by the Juicebox Jukebox. Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you find this, you will see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you try this, you could bring a smile to someone's face. Well, it doesn't take much, and it doesn't take long. No, it doesn't cost a thing, and there's no way to do it wrong. You can try anytime, you can plant it where you want. You can grow it in your heart and give it to everyone. Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you find this, you will see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you find this, you could bring a smile to someone's face. And you can put it in your words and everything you say, in the little things you do all throughout the day. And you can share it with your neighbor. You can teach it to a friend. You can show your mom or dad how the kindness never ends. Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you find this, you will see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you try this, you may bring a smile to someone's face. So if you see someone who's had a bad day and you'd like to try and make them feel okay. Just give a little kindness in your own way, because a little bit of kindness goes a long way. All together now. Kindness, kindness, oh, wherever you find this, you will see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you try this, you may bring a smile to someone's face. Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you find this, you may see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you try this, you could bring a smile to someone's face. Yeah, you could bring a smile to someone's face. You will see the world's a better place. Okay, thank you so much for joining me for this week of Mini Melodies. Our next story time is going to be all about change, so make sure that you tune in for that. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.